Hello. Welcome back to Lavi Rèv. If you are new here, my name is Olivia. I am the founder here at Lavi Rèv. We're a consultancy that specializes in strategic planning and basically just giving Black and brown women the tools they need to build their dream. And I'm so excited to announce here on YouTube the launch of our annual Dream Grant. I'm just so excited about this, and I cannot wait to continue to grow and build it. So we're offering a $1,000 grant to Black and brown women aged 18 years and over who just need funding, who need help, support, strategic planning to build their project, whatever that may be, whether you have your own business, whether you want to start a nonprofit. Like, there's so many incredible ideas out there, and I just want to make sure that you have tangible tools and funding to start your dream. So I'm so excited about this and excited that it's finally here. I have wanted to do this for years, before I even started my own company. Like, I've always dreamed of having something like this where I could actually, not just talk about it, but be about it. And I'm so thankful that, I have the opportunity to do this. The way that I set up like the revenue model of Lavi Rèv, a portion of all the money that we make throughout the year goes towards funding this grant. My goal is truly that it's able to be sustainable and here year after year. So I'm just so grateful that it's here and we're starting. It is the 1-year anniversary of Lavi Rèv as well. So it's been 1 year of business. I'm just so grateful. I have so much gratitude. Like, God is good. I'm so happy. So if you're interested in applying, it's a $1,000 grant. Applications are now open from now through October 31st, 2023. All the requirements, links, all that will be in the description box. If you or someone that you know is interested in applying, please share this with them. There's already been, I've kind of been overwhelmed by the response, actually. It's just been so great. We did a press release and it's already been picked up by Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, Black Enterprise. I grew up in a house where my parents had the Black Enterprise magazine. So it's a really full circle moment for me. And I'm just so grateful. No better way to celebrate our birthday here at Lavi Rèv than with this. And I'm just excited to continue to grow and build with you all and to read the applications and hear about your projects. I'm just so excited. Again, if you want to learn more about Lavi Rèv, everything that we do outside of just the grant program, but our work in general, all the links to that will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bisous.